In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Tag Manager in your Wix dashboard. To get started, open Google Chrome and make sure you're signed in to the Wix account where you want to manage your website settings. Once you're inside your Wix dashboard, take a moment to confirm that you're on the correct site, especially if you manage more than one. This helps avoid making changes in the wrong workspace. Now look over to the left-hand side of the dashboard. You'll see the main navigation drawer where Wix organizes your site settings and tools. From there, click on Marketing and SEO. This section is where Wix places features related to traffic, tracking, advertising, and integrations that help you measure how your site is performing. After opening that menu, select Marketing Integrations. This page brings together different third-party tools you can connect to your Wix site. It's designed to make setup easier by keeping your marketing and tracking options in one place so you don't need to search through unrelated settings. Once you're on the Marketing Integrations page, scan the available integration cards until you find the Google Tag Manager section. Depending on your screen size or the number of tools shown, you may need to scroll a little to locate it. Take your time here and make sure you're selecting the correct integration, since Wix may display several Google-related options nearby. When you find the Google Tag Manager card, click Connect. This is the option that starts the setup process and links your Wix site with Google Tag Manager. After clicking it, Wix will guide you into the next part of the connection flow where you can continue the integration using your Tag Manager details. As a helpful tip, before you begin the setup, it's a good idea to make sure you already have access to your Google Tag Manager account and the correct container prepared. That way, once you hit connect, you can move through the next stage smoothly without needing to stop and look for anything. And that's it for this step. You've now navigated to the right area in Wix and started the Google Tag Manager connection process. If you're following along, pause here as needed, make sure the correct integration is selected, and then continue with the setup from the connect window.